Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Next we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here, and we have u equals to number 1. When s equals to ln number 4, we put ln number 4 cone here, and we have u equals to number 4. So this one we change by u, but we have the number 2, that is about u square. E to the power of s ds we change by du. Number 0 we change by number 1. This one we change by number 4. Next we have the formula in here. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equal to number 3 times t. Because I put this one gone here, we have number 9 times t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization. Times t square plus 1, we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and du. This one we have 3 secant of t square dt. After we do first the derivative for the both sides. Next we need to change the bounds. So when u equals to number 1, we put number 1 cone here, and we can find the value of t, that is about 1 divided by 3, and we can use arctan of 1 over 3. So when u equals to number 4, so we have t equal to arctan of 4 over 3. So number 1 we change by this one. Number 4 we change by this one. About u, that is about this one. Du we change by this one. This one we have number 9 times t square. Number 9 and number 9 we can do about factorization. This one we change by secant of t square. This one, that is about number 3 secant of t. Now we simplify and we have secant of t. The integration of this one, that is about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put the bounds from this one to this one. And now we have the final answer. We know that tan with arctan we have 4 over 3. Similar for the second one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.